Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you haven't already, please give the video a like and subscribe to. I'll keep making updates as much as I can now about the car. So first job is wash the thing. Look at the state of it. It's so muddy. That's a bit better. So yeah, if you haven't watched my last video, go and watch that and you'll see the reason why I'm in the workshop working on the car here now. So I've stripped all the front off basically because I had a smashing time last weekend. Very bent. And now I'm just going to use what used to be here. I think Nissan knew that people were going to smash these up a bit because they've left like a pre-bolt on each side. There's a bolt there and a bolt further back. Yeah, same again on this side. And yeah, I'm going to mount the bumper bar across here like that. Should sit underneath nicely. So because I've taken off these two bits of metal here that sit, there's one there and one on the other side. I think actually the other way around. I think that was the one from that side. And that was one from that side. Anyway, but because that was there, sort of keeping this in place. I had a front end or tube front end left over from a shell that I bought, and I'm using parts of it. So I've got this bit here. It's going to live on this side here. Sorry about the camera angle. That's going to live something like that, and then I'm going to put a little bracket across then to that mount on the intercooler, and then same again on the other side. That's going to be something like that. Also from that front end that I used to have, I've had enough steel left over, if you look over here, and that is going to be the bumper bar. Right, so on my way back over to work this morning, should be able to crack on with the bash bar. I just want to say thanks to LG again, just because they always let me go in and do whatever I need to do with the car whenever I smash it up, which happens quite often, to be fair. So yeah, thanks a lot to you guys. Right, so I've cracked on with the support for the slam panel here, and I've just cut the old one that looked a bit like this. I've chopped the top off, and I used the bracket that was on the side here. I've just cut them in half, and you can just see I've tacked them on there for a sec. And he's going to stay bolted down there, so that means then I can just unbolt that. You know, if for some reason that bent or broke, I could just unbolt it, make another one, and do it again. And then yeah, I've just loosened these bits. You see what I mean? What I said earlier. These are actually just two bolts. There's a nut back here and then a bolt there. So basically Nissan gives you your own removable bumper bar from factory. So I'm going to get the intercooler, like these two bits, sorry, done first, and then I'm going to get the bumper bar tacked on the top of here. These front bars are welded on that. Right, so I've made a bit of progress now. You can see I've put the bumper on and I've put the bonnet pins, they're all mounted up. Now if I show you, I'll take the bumper off and open the bonnet and you can have a look. Bonnet latches, those Aero-catches are super easy. Right, so yeah, you can see now that I've welded on this bumper bar here, which sort of goes all the way across, gives a good bit of protection. I'm going to weld a bracket across to here, so the wing onto the end of there, and do the same the other end. And then I've just welded on, I've made the bracket up for the intercooler here. That one's that side, and then the same again that side. And I've also done the bonnet pins for the Aero-catches, so they're just a bit of tube, just with because these are just obviously nutted each end on the threaded bar. So just done that, set them about the right height, and yeah, now he's back to looking good. He shuts lovely and easy. So yeah, it goes like that. You can see the bonnet pin in there. Put the pin through, push the catch down. Same on that side there, look. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. It's looking straight enough for me. It definitely isn't perfect. You know, there's a bit of a gap here where it's pushed it across and that, and there's a bit of a dent down here on the corner of the bonnet. But I'm not really that worried. It's just probably going to get tapped again, and I'd rather, you know, as long as the car's mechanically good, which I'm going to give it a check over on the ramp to check nothing's bent or caught or anything. But otherwise, I do want to add another little brace as well, just down on the bottom of this front section here, which I can jack on, because at the moment I can jack on the side of, you know, each of the towing eyes, each side. Can't really see that one at the sec, 'cause the wire's in the way. But yeah, I'd like one in the middle, so I can just slide the jack in the middle, jack it up, and lift the whole front up. You can see I've still got a bit of mud from Zoyland in here, look. Lovely. So yeah, I've got to clean the rest of that out as well. But yeah, I'm getting there now. Probably finish the video there. Let me know what you thought, or if it was worth watching or not. But yeah, I'll probably finish the last few brackets on there, take it all off, rub it down and paint it and put it back on. Hopefully be looking a bit better, and also then I can decide what I'm going to do with these lights. So that'll probably all be in the next video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a like if you enjoyed it. Any questions at all, send me a message. I'm happy to help if I can. And yeah, we'll go from there. So thank you very much.